Hello everyone. In this video I will show you easy way for your bucket drawing. So let's see. If you see the bucket dustbin that is in the rectangle shape. So we need to draw first rectangle shape. And also you can check proportion. So how big you want, so that much bigger should be your rectangle. This rectangle will decide your bucket height and width. Now you can see two curved lines that is same like a leaf shape. And don't forget to keep equal distance between these two curved lines. This point to be added accordingly, that is inside, and base 2 points more inside. As you can see in the video. Now you can see left side and right side line is little slanting. Bucket height you will decide, but that should suitable to your paper. You can erase your remaining lines because your bucket is ready. Now there is a coloring part and my bucket is with blue color. So I am using light blue, then ultramarine blue and then Persian blue and also white. So this 4 color I am using for my bucket. On the bucket, light is from the left side. So that is the reason I started with the light blue color from the left side. Also you can see there is a white between the color. So that is the highlight to your bucket. Now I started with ultramarine blue. And first layer, lightly colors we want to fill it with low pressure. Now after ultramarine blue, I am using Persian blue, that is the dark blue, as you can see in the video. And don't forget that first layer with the low pressure, lightly we want to fill it. Now I started with white color. So with this white color also you can do little blending. Now I started with the second layer color. So here you can fill little dark color and same steps we want to fill it. First light blue, second layer with the ultramarine blue and third layer with the Persian blue. Now there is a blending part. So I am using earbud to mix my color. Also you can use tissue paper or cotton. Blending means just mix your color. Inside the bucket totally different. So light color we want to fill it to the right side and dark color you will fill to your left side. And we want to follow same step ahead. First layer with the low pressure, that is light color, and second layer with the dark color, and after that blending. So this bucket border is very easy. So how you fill your color downside to your bucket, same color you can use it, as you can see in the video. After coloring, blending is also important. So now I am using white glass marker because on the oil pastel color your white oil pastel will not work properly. That is the reason I am using white glass marker. Also we want to add shadow here, that is with Persian blue color. After that, your border is completely visible. Now I will show you how to draw shadow, and for shadow I am using Persian blue, grey color and white. And don't forget that your bucket light is from the left side, so your shadow should be your right side. Same step we want to repeat here. First layer with the low pressure, that is lightly, and second layer with the dark color. Now there is a blending part. Also you can use earbud, tissue paper, cotton bud, that I already told you. This is the last part of your drawing. So your border is not visible. So what you can do here, you can use black color pencil to trace your drawing. So that way your bucket is completely visible. You can check all the details on the bucket. If you like this video, then don't forget to share, like and subscribe, because these things are motivating me to make more informative videos.